Welcome to this tutorial on how to send Microsoft Outlook emails using Microsoft Excel sheet automatically. Guys, if you are having the details of your colleagues, clients and leads in a sheet in Microsoft Excel and you have a list of email addresses there and you want to send emails using Microsoft Outlook, this automation video is for you because here you do not have to manually compose emails for each and every email address that you have in Excel sheet. It will happen automatically, and with the help of this automation, we are going to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Microsoft Excel sheet in such a way that you just have to add the email address and the email that you want to send in a row in Microsoft Excel, and the email will be delivered using Microsoft Outlook automatically. And to set up this automation, we are not going to use any coding. You can do it just by a few clicks. So without any further ado, let's start building this automation together. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I'm going to paste this same link in the description so that you don't miss out on this offer that is going on, and also you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and then select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here guys, you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as Microsoft Excel or MS Excel to Microsoft Outlook emails. You can give any other name as well, and after that click on create button and you will see your workflow page loading up like this. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So here when you click on trigger field, trigger window, you will find this choose app field. From here you have to choose the trigger application in which the trigger event is going to occur. In our use case guys, Microsoft Excel will be the trigger application because here we are adding the details of the people to whom we want to send the emails. So search for Microsoft Excel from here and then select the application. Then select the trigger event as new row in worksheet. Then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Excel. Alright, so it will bring you to this window. So if you are not logged in, it might ask you to log in, but I have already logged in my account. So it is just asking me to provide these access to my account. That is completely safe. Just click on yes from here and Microsoft account will be connected here in a few moments. You can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking to select the workbook's name. So this is my workbook. You can see I have created this and the name of my workbook is mail list. And these are the details I am adding here. Okay, name, email and the email content, right? Now I'm going to select this name mail list from here. Here you can see in the drop down, we have the list of all the Excel sheets. From here, select the relevant sheet. Then you have to select the worksheet's name. So name of my worksheet is sheet 1. So it will be selected from here like this. And after that, click on save and send test request button. And the most recent row that you have added in your workbook will be fetched here like this. You can see the last row I have added is this. In this, I have added the name as test user, the email as this test, and this is the email content. This is an automated email to test. Okay, here you can see the same is captured here. In this row data 0 label, we got the name. Here we got the email address, and here we got the email that we want to send. Right now, to send this email to this particular person via Microsoft Outlook, we are going to use this action step, and here you have to search for Microsoft Office 365. So Microsoft Outlook is under Microsoft Office package 365. So select it from here. Then you have to select the action event as send email. Select this, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Office 365. So the connection process will be the same. You just have to provide the access to your account from this window. So just click on yes from here and you will be connected with 365 or Outlook. Alright, so after getting connected, it will ask for the subject of the email, the content type of the email, the body, and the recipient's name. So in the subject, if you have the subject's data present in this Excel sheet, you can map that data from here. Right now I do not have, so I'm just going to manually type the subject as test subject. If you have the relevant details of the subject, I'm just showing you the demo how it is going to work. You can properly add things here. The content type of email is plain. Okay, so I'm selecting plain text, the body, and the recipient. So guys, we have received the data from our Excel sheet here in the first step. So I'm going to map these labels I have received here in these fields. So just click here and you can see the trigger step is appearing here in the drop down. So by clicking on it, you can see the data and map the data like this. So I'm mapping the content here like this and the recipient's email address like this. Okay. Right. So guys, when you map the labels like this in real time, after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to add any new row here with the new name, email address, and new content, the labels here will be updated and new email will be delivered to the new address. Okay. So that's why it is necessary to map the things. But the thing that you have entered here manually, like I have added the subject will remain the same for all the emails. So if you want to change the subject as well, it is better to add a subject row, subject column here, add the subjects, then you can map the subject as well. Right now, I'm showing you the demo. And now you can check your connection with Microsoft Outlook by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. And this email will be delivered to this email address. So this is not an actual address. So I'm going to show you the demo by entering my address here. And I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request and show you how the email is going to look like. So this is my account and I have entered this email account's address here like this. And here let me click on Save and Send Test Request button just to show you the demo how the email is going to appear. Here you can see the email is sent and we have received a new email and you can see the subject is test subject. Okay. And here you can see the email. This is an automated email to test, no need to reply. And this is the same text that we have entered here and it got sent to the email like this. Okay. And the subject is same and the body is same. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation and you have to set up it only once. And after that, you don't even have to open this workflow. It is going to work silently in the background and you just have to add these details here in this Excel sheet. And as you are going to add a row, the emails will be delivered to these addresses with this content automatically. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.